Hi everyone, I'm Julianne, and I'm gonna show you how to insert and manipulate images, clip art, snapshots in your MS PowerPoint. I have here sample slides, and I'm going to insert images from Picture Command. To insert an image to a PowerPoint, first select the Insert tab, then click the Picture command in the Images group, and then the Insert Picture dialog box appears. Select the desired image file, then click Insert. The picture will appear in your slide, and then you can resize and move your image to your desired location. The next one is to insert screenshots in your PowerPoint. Screenshots are pictures that capture the visible windows and items displayed on your computer screen. They may include an open window of a website, items on your desktop, or an open program like the PowerPoint images in this tutorial. These images can be useful for explaining or displaying computer programs, functions, and websites. PowerPoint allows you to capture an image of an entire window or a screen clipping of part of a window. To insert screenshots to your PowerPoint, we use screen clipping from a window. First is that select Insert tab, then click the Screenshot command in the Image group. Then select Screen Clipping. A faded view of your current desktop will appear, and your cursor will turn into a cross shape. Click, hold, and drag on the area of a window you want to capture. Then, the screen clipping will appear in your slide. Resize and move your image to your desired location. And now, take the challenge. Open a blank MS PowerPoint and try to insert pictures, clip arts, snapshots in your work. That would be all, and God bless us all.